Alright folks, so today's video of Let's Get Growing, what are we doing, bud?
Doing gardening work.
Yeah, we are. We're doing some gardening work today. We're actually going to get stuck into making some beds in this area here. Prep the ground. We've added lots of chook manure, cow manure. We've put in some compost as well. We've turned over the soil. Now it's time to actually make some rows of beds in here. We're going to try and make 3 rows, about 40 centimeters wide. We'll see how we go. And who knows? But anyway,
How many you want?
yeah, we want 3. Alright, so we're going to grab the Madoc. Madoci, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Madoc. How do you pronounce it?
This is Madoc. Either hammer and dirt or dirt for wood.
Yeah. For the ground. So what we're going to do is we're going to go along. We're going to start digging our trenches for either side of the beds.
Yeah.
So we're going to probably do roughly around that size there, I reckon.
And you can see some dark dirt down there.
Yeah, we can. So then there'll be another one there, another one there, and then another one there.
And this time we're doing that, not this one, everything.
Alright, well, let's get stuck in.
Yeah. Dad.
So here goes, that's the first side
And this
of the
time,
bed.
this can be.
It's the second one. So as you can see there, if I go down like that, this part here will be the top of the bed. They're the side furrows. So what we're going to do, bud, whenever we walk now, we're going to walk inside these little channels. Okay? Good stuff. Alright, let's do the other ones. Let's go. Yep.
And how we do this?
Well, that, yep, you can do that. Like that. Perfect.
And we can pick a vegetable like this.
This. Rake up on the top, make a nice flat surface.
And why it's going in the middle?
That's going to be our garden, that's our bed. No, this is where we're going to plant the veggies in this one. So put it up. Alright, so tell them, how many beds have we done?
1, 2, 3.
So we've done 3 raised beds straight onto earth in what was pretty terrible soil at the start, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty simple, folks. Some raised beds straight onto earth. You've seen what we did. Obviously, we started with a pretty weedy spot that used to be a chook shed, disused chook shed, and now we've turned it into what will be a viable garden. We'll start planting out some seedlings straight into this soil in the next video. But for now, pretty simple, nice, easy garden bed that we can start growing in, isn't it, bud?
Yeah. Remember, don't walk on this one. Walk in the middle where you do this.
That's it. You got to walk on the little side paths.
Like this.
You show them. That's it. And show them how you're going to pick the veggies when you need to. Good job, bud. Hey, fist bump. Boom. Love you, buddy. Good job.